All right, do not pay a lot of money at the dealership when they try to offer to change your cabin air filter. It literally takes 3 minutes to do it. All right, just get in your passenger side, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, so first thing, find on your air filter where it says airflow. That's going to be the direction that your air is going to go. Make sure that you note it's going to go down through the cabin air filter. All right, like I said, 3 steps. Step 1, open up the glove compartment. Step 2, find these little knobs. They pop right out. They're easy to remove. Put them somewhere safe. Once you remove the other one, it's going to fall down. All right, step 2, find a little plastic container. It's a little shield like this. You pinch it on the right-hand side, and it opens up kind of like a swivel arm. And step 3, find the filter and remove it. You're going to have a bunch of stuff in it. It's not going to look great, but that's doing the filtering and removing it from the air that you breathe in. All right, so kind of match them up, make sure they're the same size, they're correct. All right, this one says airflow here, this one says airflow there, but based on their size, this is the size that it is, like the orientation it goes, and then you insert it. You'll notice I'm not even looking at this. I've done this so many times. It is so easy and trivial to do. Car dealerships and repair shops and everything will charge you upwards of $150 to repair this, and it takes a matter of minutes. All right. I just reverse everything that I did, plug in these components, close it up, and we're done.